Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Steam trading cards. These digital collectibles are a fun way to enhance your gaming experience and personalize your Steam profile. By collecting a complete set of cards from a game, you can craft a unique badge. This process not only levels up your profile, but also unlocks cool rewards like emoticons and profile backgrounds. It's a rewarding system that adds another layer of engagement to your favorite games. The primary way to acquire Steam trading cards is simply by playing games. Many titles will grant you a certain number of card drops just for spending time in-game. For free-to-play games, you typically earn one card drop for every $9 you spend within that game. These drops happen randomly as you play, so just enjoy your game, and the cards will appear in your inventory automatically. If you're looking to complete a set quickly or find specific cards, the Steam Community Market and trading are excellent options. You can easily trade cards with other players to get the ones you're missing. Alternatively, the Community Market allows you to buy individual cards for a small fee or sell any duplicate cards you have to earn Steam Wallet funds. It's a flexible system for managing your collection. After you've gathered all the cards for a particular game, it's time to craft your badge. Simply navigate to your Badges page and select the game. Crafting a badge provides valuable experience points, which contribute to your overall Steam profile level. You'll also receive cool rewards like unique emoticons and profile backgrounds. You can craft a badge for the same game up to 5 times, earning even more rewards each time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.